How to permanently delete Facebook account. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how to permanently delete Facebook account. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up your Facebook account, and you can open it up on your mobile phone or on your laptop. So then you have to go to your profile, and in here go to settings and privacy. Once you open up settings in privacy, go to settings again. Now it will open up your profile for you, and you will be able to find all of these different options here. So what we need to do is we need to go to security right here, and it will open up our accounts and profiles for us. So what we need to do is we need to open up our account and profile, and then it will open up your account center for you. Here, what you need to do is you need to go to your information and permission right here, and it will open up your information for you. Right here we have different permissions, but at the very end you will find deactivation or deletion of your account. So you need to click on this one, and then it will ask you to select an account, because if you have more than one account, then you can select any one of the accounts. Then it will open up the deactivating or deleting your Facebook account, and we have two options. The first option is going to be deactivating your account temporarily, and you can activate it again. But here we have deleting your account permanently. So if you want to delete your account permanently, you will click right here, and then you have to click on continue. Now, I don't want to delete my account, so that is why I will not proceed. But all you have to do is just click on continue, enter your password, and then you will be able to delete your account permanently from Facebook, and your account will be deleted. It will no longer have your information. You will no longer get any messages, and it will not be shown. So this is how you can delete your account permanently on Facebook. This brings us to the end. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.